Okay, we're going to take a look at some more applications. This one's going to be for Tai Chi Wardoff. Here, it's going to be function versus form. How are we going to use this? What are the important points in an actual altercation that's going to allow you to effectively utilize this method? So let's take a look. This individual is striking me here, and I want to ward this off. I have to yield to his strike, somewhat yield. I don't want to stay here and try to fight it or deal with it by staying in the same place. I don't want to be that single easy hit target. When a strike comes in, I want some movement here, putting some distance. But at the same time I do that, I want to ward off. Now when we ward off, we're going to concentrate on the elbow area. That's like the stronger part of the arm. Instead of warding off like this, there's not a lot of strength here. Natural strength. Doesn't match your structure. Right here. Nice and easy. When he strikes, I'm going to yield. I'm going to ward off. It's not muscle. I'm not tensing up. I'm just flowing, letting my arm roll up. Stick to his arm and roll his arm out of the way. Cover. So I have my other hand to guard me. I come back, sticking, strike. I can strike. Ward off here. We're going to come in and ward off this way. So basically what we're doing is controlling the entire body through the use of his arm here. So once we ward off, stepping behind his leg, I'm using my body into the bend in his arm to bring him off balance. And as I continue to close my arm, my hand touches his body here, and this all works together as I sit to take him down.